In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy tables in Notion easily. Whether you're working on a detailed project or maintaining your personal notes, copying tables in Notion can help streamline your workflow and save you some valuable time. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace. This is your central hub for managing your wikis, documents, and various projects within Notion. This workspace is where you have organized all your vital information, and it's also the starting point for our task today. Next, you'll need to log in to your account. Notion makes it easy with a simple login interface. Once logged in, you gain access to all your data and can continue with the task of copying tables. If you're not already logged in, it's important to have your login credentials ready to jump right into your workspace. After logging in, head over to the Notion home. This area serves as your control center, where you can access different features and navigate through your workspace efficiently. We'll use this as our launchpad to move to specific sections where your tables are stored. Now, look for the section labeled Team Spaces. This feature is particularly useful for collaborative environments where multiple team members might access, modify, or need visibility on data. Clicking on Team Spaces will guide you to the different databases or projects you've grouped together. Once you're in the Team Spaces section, click on the specific database that contains the table you wish to copy. Databases in Notion are powerful tools for managing complex sets of information. The database view allows you to organize content not just with tables, but also with calendars, lists, and more. Within the selected database, find the table that you need to duplicate. Tables are integral in Notion for creating structured, detailed documentation and managing data. Select the table by clicking on it, so you're ready to proceed with copying it. Finally, click on the option labeled Duplicate. This step is straightforward but crucial. By duplicating, you create an exact replica of your table, preserving the format, data, and any customization you have put into it. This is particularly useful for templates or recurring data structures you need across multiple projects or entries. There you have it, folks. You've now successfully learned how to copy tables in Notion. This simple process allows you to maintain consistency across your work and saves time when working with repetitive data structures. Remember, mastery of such small tips and tricks can greatly enhance your productivity in Notion, making it an invaluable tool for any digital workspace. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your Notion use even more efficient.